Hello, my flower family. How are you? Long time we don't meet in this channel, and I think you forget my voice and my incredible English. Welcome to my channel, annet.lovart. And I want to share with you very good news because I opened my Patreon page where, as you can see, every time new tutorials with deep explanation, with reference. I will try to make only the best for you, and it's all will be in the same page. I'm just invite you. You have two options to follow my page to watch new tutorials with explanation. First, you can support me with $1. It's just support my art. If you, of course, can be so gentle, welcome. I will be so happy to receive from you this dollar by month. I will become very rich, but thank you so much for this. So gentle people. And for people who will want to have full tutorials with my explanation and who miss my incredible English language, they can follow me in Patreon. Welcome, I will wait you. It's name of this part, Flower Family. Of course, we are Flower Family. And I will explain in this group about my materials. I want to share even sometimes I read a lot about algorithm, Instagram, YouTube. I'm crazy about these things. Of course, all my knowledge, what I know, I can share with my Patreon followers. About my brands, I want to show it how I make a video, which application I'm using. Okay, any questions what you will have, I can answer. Yes, I'm not so greedy. And of course, I like feedback. When not so greedy people follow me, I can give it all knowledge what they need. Welcome. This it will cost $5. It's like, let's say, maybe 2 cups in small city, yes, coffee, or for example, like in Paris, it can be 1/2 cups of coffee. Anyway, for any support from your side, it can be so sweet and so cool. I will give it feedback much better because I want to make a Patreon page. First, it's pleasure for you, and if it will be give it you pleasure and it can be more people, I'm accept to work every time just for you and answer for your questions. Welcome. Now you can enjoy and watch a little bit process of paintings, of course without my explanation, because I need to prepare next tutorial for my Patreon page. See you here. Big kiss. Bye bye. Change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside.